So I think the comments we've had recently just give me a really good segue into the corporate debt market, which is something we've been working at. I think now at the Infrazamen desk, we push out at least 2 issuances from the corporate sector a year. So I'm glad that we are a substantial portion of the total corporate debt issuances annually. But 3 to 5 issuances for Pakistan-sized market is nothing. It's truly nothing.
Sure.
And 3 to 5 to 10 billion rupees is also insignificant, right? So how do we push it forward? So I think I'd backtrack, having seen quite a bit, a bit to say 2007, 2008, where we actually did have a fairly vibrant TFC market, the corporate debt market that was growing. But with the 2008 financial crisis and sort of all the defaults that happened, after that, corporate debt has become, not a good term when it comes to institutional investors in particular. And we've been trying to adjust those perceptions and the way you start by doing that, first and foremost, is prove to the market that corporate debt is not risky, is safe. It's a safe bet and it's a safe investment. And that has a whole host of participants, everyone from players like Infrazamen who do credit enhancement, to rating agencies, to the fund managers, to pension fund reform. So everything filters into that, including the issuers as well. But I think the first thing to prove is that you can do different types of corporate debt, which we've demonstrated over a number of kind of sectors, including telco, agri, gender, and you can have the market absorb that debt, whether it's guaranteed or not. And I think that's the starting point. That's the starting point. So what are the challenges in getting more and more debt out there? I think a lot of challenges exist actually on the issuer side. Okay. Because I think issuers have a choice. They have a choice in going to the banks to get debt, or they have a choice in coming to the capital market. And the costs of both are quite much higher on the capital market side than on the bank side. So if we are to, one, encourage the issuers, I think we have to talk about the incentives for doing a bond issuance. And some of that need to be related to the overall cost and comparison of the cost of getting a bank loan versus coming to the bond market. So I think that's one starting point. The second question that we often get asked by issuers is like, what is the benefit of me doing a bond? I can save time by going to the banks. I can reduce my costs by going to the banks. Why should I be the one going to the bond market? In particular, how will that help me as a corporate? I think there the answers have to be more nuanced. Because you can take the cost equation out, but at the same time, what you have to sell is the story. And the story revolves around visibility, the ability to bring your company to a stage where it is looked at by multiple investors, and sell that sort of story of how you become a corporate which is not just doing everything standard in general corporate Pakistan, but is leveling up. And that story is what we find captures the imagination of those companies that want to be visible, that want to do more than just plain bank vanilla debt, and also want to explore an entirely new investor base. Because let's face it, when you're just focused on one bank market, you don't get the competition in terms of the rate that you could get from the bond market. So these are some of the things, and I really think a lot of work should be done on the issuer side. I think we have adequate regulations now. We have the ability for investor protection in the bond market. We have credit enhancement. We have a number of things which help on that front. I think the issuer side needs more incentivization and work. And then on the investor side, here, I would say that there is obviously an element of government bonds crowding out private sector bonds. But having said that, I do think that the investor market, whether it's pension funds or insurance companies or mutual funds, they have significant liquidity to be able to absorb, that debt. And it's a matter of just more issuances coming and then more of that being picked up.